So I know you've heard of a Tom Collins. Well, if you haven't, check out the video over here. But have you ever heard of a Tom Guavins? A few videos ago, we made some guava syrup. And if you want to know how to make your own guava syrup, which you should, just follow the link. I really want to finish up my guava syrup, so why not make a Tom Guavins. Ooh, Guavlins. Sorry. We're gonna go with 1 ounce of our syrup, if we even have an ounce. Oh, close enough for jazz. I'm just saying. That is it. Gone. Yeah, this better taste good. Gin is next. Of course it is. It's a Tom. What the hell? What is that?
Tom Guavins.
Tom Guavins. It's a Tom Guavins. Where's my? Here it is. Good enough. 2 ounces of gin. Yeah, baby. Okay, our next ingredient is Saint Germain. That's gonna lighten and brighten things up for sure. That's our elderflower liqueur. And we want like a 1/2 ounce. That's good. That's good, just like that. And we are going to add our next ingredient. Our pear liqueur. I love this shit, man. I really do. Just a 1/4 ounce. Yeah, it's looking good. Pears go so well with guava syrup. I mean, there's so many things that go nice with guava. Anyway, lemon juice is next. Again, 3/4 of an ounce. Yeah, easy as soup, duck soup, yeah. Okay, add some ice. Add some ice. Okay, looking good, good looking. Ha, and shake it. Like Tom Guavins? What the hell's his name?
Tom Guavins.
Tom Guavins. The hell is Tom Guavins? We're having too much fun here. Shut up.
That's not how Tom Guavins shakes.
Oh, how did she shake? Wait. All right, good enough. Okay, we need a Tom Guavins glass. I don't know, man. Is that good? That's good. That's looking good. Sure, why not? Fill it full of fresh ice. Yeah, good enough. And all we do is just strain it out. Leave a little bit of room at the top for a little soda. A little bit of soda. Oh, baby. And we're gonna garnish with some fresh grated cinnamon. Oh, baby. So what you want to do is just, get a little straw in there now that we've got our cinnamon going on. Just give it a gentle stir. Yeah. Let's check it out. Tom Guavins. It's really nice. It doesn't taste anything like a Tom Collins by any means. And it's not supposed to, because Tom Guavins, I think, was Tom Collins' evil twin. This is really good. I get the cinnamon. Believe it, I mean, the gin is there, obviously. It's 2 ounces of it. But I get the Saint Germain along with the Golden 8 pear liqueur. And they just have this wonderful marriage going on. There's really a nice viscosity to this drink. It's not as refreshing as a Tom Collins by any means. But there are so many more flavors going on. It's just like flooding my palate. It's really rich and cool and somewhat refreshing. There's so much flippin' flavor going on here. It's sick, man. I'm liking it. Do you even need the soda? Not sure. I like it. Well, I guess that's a Tom Guavins for you. Okay. I'm guaving out of here, man. Yeah, easy as soup, duck soup. Yeah,
Easy as soup.
duck soup. I don't know. Okay.
What does that even mean?
Okay, if you haven't subscribed lately, subscribe again. No, it doesn't work that way. I know that. Shut up. Subscribe. I hate doing this, man. Hit those other videos because they're awesome, man. And make a Tom Guavins. It's guavily delicious.